The Comica CVM-WS50B is a wireless microphone set for Android and iOS tablets and cell phones. It can be found on Amazon for around $170. It features the following: 6 channels, built-in LCD screen, stepless volume adjustment, real-time audio monitor, built-in rechargeable lithium batteries, and it's portable and light. Taking it out of the box, you see that it comes with a cool carrying case by Comica. Now unzipping it is where all the real goodies are. You get the manuals, the wind muff, the TRS to TRRS cable, the lav microphone, the charger, and a gorgeous microphone set, all in a padded case. You've got the handle, the transmitter, and the receiver. Be sure to screw the handle into the receiver using the bottom thread. You'll want to screw the top upward just enough to give your phone space to fit in, and then screw it nice and tight so that your phone will not fall out while recording. Next, turn the transmitter on. The screen will flash blue to show that it's turned on. Then, turn the receiver on. The same thing will happen. The two should automatically be synced already. All you need are the TRS to TRRS cable plugged into your receiver and your phone, and the lav plugged into the transmitter, and then you are good to go.
Carpeted, it's got better paneling, as you can see. Doesn't echo nearly as much, but let's see how far this can pick up. I believe it's an omnidirectional lav, so if I'm facing this way, and if it picks it up, that's pretty cool. If it doesn't, then that's even better. But as you can tell, you're going to hear probably an increase in quality. There's no air vent in this room, thank God, because then when the air kicks on, you're going to hear the air kick on. But I'm going to walk around this room. It's not really as big as the open area I was just at. Then this is going to be a great test for you. And you got natural lighting in your room that you're going to film in. And that's going to be pretty cool to listen to this as well.
The Comica wireless microphone set is a great microphone set. You will have to adjust the settings on your cell phone, tablet, and in your video editor in order to get the audio to sound exactly how you want it to sound. But even by default, it still sounds incredible and is worth every penny that you pour into it.